Hi everybody, welcome to the Whimsical Canvas. Today I'll be sharing with you one of my first acrylic paintings of Brucelee, if you can recognize him. This is where I worked on the outline, and it was the first time I was handling any of the acrylic paints. So I was still figuring out the water to paint ratio, and then I figured out waterless is much better, and so no water, guys. Over here I finished the hair and the eyebrows. They're black. I was a little overwhelmed by it, and I was constantly adding more color to the around the eyes and trying to keep the whites of the eyes really white, because you don't want to mess with that. After a while I decided to just draw the pupils. I drew them and I was a little overwhelmed by all the black, so I started giving his hair a little bit of shine, a little white there, and then I started working on defining his muscles around the neck and the chest. Over here it's almost done. I decided not to work on his skin tone anymore because it was driving me crazy. I decided to do the background. I wish I had a sponge so that I would blend the colors a little more, but this seemed okay. I did it with a brush and I sprayed some water so that it just doesn't dry. But as you can still see, the chin needs a little more definition, and the lower lip the lower lip needs some work, and one of the eye is a little wonky, so that needs to be worked on. And this is almost completed picture. As you can see, the eyebrows are complete, the nose is okay, the lips I was very happy with, and I was still not happy with the shape of the face, but if that had to be fixed, I had to fix the background as well, and I decided not to do anything there. I just decided to add more definition to his cheekbones, his temples, around the nose, and the eyes started looking a little better. I was happy with the result. Added more definition to the hair, and this is the final product. If it were up to me, I would be working on it for a few more days, but for my sanity, I had to stop there. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.